Our employees are our most important asset here at Central Sand. We strive to catch issues early, and the key is to keep reactive maintenance down as much as possible by performing preventive and predictive maintenance. We try and improve things to maintain reliability and extend the useful life of the equipment. That's our goal, and we wouldn't be able to do that without our employees because of their knowledge, skills, and abilities. We want to use smarter equipment and smarter technology, newer technology, to be able to predict a failure before it even happens. I've seen several technicians take the lead to do this. They take ownership of the equipment. They take ownership of everything we do here by taking that one extra step. We have a motto here: don't just fix it, improve it. That mentality, that's the kind of stuff I love about Central Sand.